You don't need a lot of money to start investing. Whether you're just getting started or looking to make the most of a smaller budget, there are plenty of ways to invest your $5,000 wisely. So let's dive into some great options. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So here are the 5 best investments under 5K. Number 1, index funds or ETFs. These low-cost funds allow you to invest in a broad range of stocks or bonds, helping you diversify with a small investment. Number 2 is robo-advisors. So platforms like Betterment and Wealthfront offer automated investment management with low fees, perfect for beginners. Number 3, dividend stocks. So investing in dividend-paying stocks gives you the opportunity to earn passive income while your money grows. Number 4 is peer-to-peer lending. So platforms like Lending Club allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments, providing potential returns. Number 5 is real estate crowdfunding. So real estate investing is now accessible to smaller investors through platforms like Fundrise. I'll put all this in the description, allowing you to invest in real estate projects with as little as $500. So even with just $5,000, you can grow your wealth and build a strong investment foundation. If you like this video, leave me a like. I love you.